Welcome to the show, everyone. I am Mark, here with Molly. Today, we have a very useful topic. Molly, picture this. You are in a beautiful restaurant in London. You are very hungry, but you are also a little nervous to speak English.
Oh, I know that feeling. It can be scary, but do not worry. Today, we will share 3 simple steps to help you order food in English with confidence.
Step 1 is entering the restaurant. When you walk in, a server will greet you. You can simply say, "Hello, a table for 2, please," or "A table for 1, please."
Yes, keep it simple. A table for 2, please. The server will show you to your table. Then they will bring the menu. This brings us to step 2, ordering your food and drinks.
Right, and we have 2 magic phrases for this. The first phrase is, "I would like." For example, "I would like a glass of water, please." Or, "I would like the chicken pizza, please."
I would like is very polite. The second magic phrase is, could I have? You can use this for anything. Could I have a cup of coffee, please? Or, could I have the menu, please?
Exactly. Let us practice that. Molly, what would you like to eat today?
Well, I am hungry. I would like the tomato soup, please. And could I have a glass of orange juice, too?
Perfect. See, it is very easy. I would like and could I have. Always remember to add please at the end. It is very polite and servers love it.
Absolutely. Now, step 3. You've finished your delicious meal. How do you ask for the check or the bill?
In British English, we say the bill. In American English, people often say the check. You can use our magic phrase again. Just say, "Could I have the bill, please?"
Could I have the bill, please? That is it. It is that simple. Let us do a quick recap of the phrases we learned today.
To get a table for 2, please. To order food, "I would like the pizza, please." Or, "Could I have a glass of water, please?" And to pay, "Could I have the bill, please?"
You are ready to eat out in English. Thank you for listening today. Practice these phrases next time you visit a restaurant. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. Enjoy your meal.